Welcome to FHB House Nebraska. I'm Jason Moloch. This is our personal build, and we're going to be following around Mark Henrichson as he starts to lay out walls, sharing some tips and tricks along the way.
I'm going to start on the back corner over here, which is going to be the corner that I control the whole house from. Okay, so what I did is I made a point here that's about a half inch in from outside of foundation, but I didn't go right off the corner because as you can see it's kind of chipped off there. So I came in a half inch from the back and a half inch from the side. Okay, so I just lined that receiver up on my reference point there, and now I'm going to adjust this laser. Okay, I'm locked in on green there. I got another laser coming right up this way to the front. Set my receiver down and let it lock in. Then I'm going to give myself another reference point up here. We used to have to get 100-foot tape measures, and pull for square, but then you're stretching 80 foot on a diagonal across the foundation, and and it kind of sags, and human error, it's pretty easy to get off. So this is a lot more accurate than it used to be. I'll get a line snapped across the back as a control point, and then I'll get a line snapped right here as a control point all the way up to the front of the garage. And I already know everything is square because I shot it in with the lasers. So the reason I snap these lines first is because it gives me an extra opportunity to reset if the foundation's off. I'm able to get a little bit back on my mud sill, and I'm able to get a little bit back on my floor and get everything all shoved back into dimension or shoved out to dimension, either way that I have to go to make everything right. 3 foot 1.5 is 10 inches. Hey. Basically the most important part, and just make sure that they all stay on the lines that we just took all this time to square in and snap.